In front of me is Nothing Phone Free, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off app notifications. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down a tiny bit to click on Notifications. Then select App Notifications here and tap on Most Recent under App Notifications to pick one of those options to sort your apps by Most Recent, Most Frequent, All Apps, or Turned Off. I want to see mine with Most Frequent notifications, so I will click here. And now we're using black switches block all notifications from chosen apps. If you wish to switch them back on, hit the same now gray switches. You can also select any app available on the left and manage all its notifications over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!